Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to contact eBay. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the simple steps. So now we want to contact eBay. So basically we'll be needing to go to the support or to go to the help center. So you have two ways to do it. Either you can find it here in the header. So as you can see, you will find daily deals, brand outlets, gift cards, and help and contact. Or you can simply go here to this icon, and from here you will be able also to visit and help contact, or you can report some content, but this is a submission report. Now we need just to go here. I'm just going to verify it's a human. We need just to uh, an animal apply. So here we need just to uh, pass the captcha, and basically now you will be needing to search for your problem. So in case you need more help, and as you can see, if you want something specific, you might find it, or you want something general, you might find it here. But we want to contact support. So basically, I'm just going to click on contact us. So basically now you will need just to add what reason you want to contact them for, and let's just go for example shipping tracking, or get help with an item that didn't arrive. And from here, you will need just either chat with automated assistant, and from here you will be able uh, to contact the seller. And basically, you can simply go for that if you want to contact the support, and then just tell to the agent that to get an agent or a support agent, so it can you can start like talking with a human, or so you can contact human agents or customer service. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.